Guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing wipers. For these, we want to always make sure that our lower back is on the ground and our shoulders, that's really what we want on the ground. So I like to start with my arms out wide to really create a solid base. Legs are going to be in the air. This is going to be the most challenging. And then we're just going to kind of lower down from one side. That side hip is going to stay on the ground. And then we are going to come onto our other side. Hip and opposite shoulder never leaves the floor. We can do this also with bent knees to modify slightly, which might actually help your range of motion. This is big time ab exercise. So if you want stronger abs, then sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.